So let's solve this problem together. We have 2 to the power of m times root 2 to the power of minus m all over 2 to the power of root 2 to the power of m plus 1 further raised to the power of minus 2m. So for us to resolve this, let's recall the square root of a is the same as a to the power of 1 over 2, and the square root of the cube root of b is the same as b to the power of 1 over 3. So we'll be converting this square root to fractional index to have our 2 to the power of m times our 2 to the power of minus m. This will be times 1 over 2. All over, we have 2 to the power of the square root. We have 2 to the power of m plus 1. We have times 1 over 2. So this will further be raised to the power of minus 2m. So resolving the bracket, we have 2 to the power of m times 2 to the power of minus m. When we multiply this times this is minus m, we have over 2. All over, we have 2 to the power of, we have m plus 1 all over 2. Further raised to the power of minus 2m. Let's recall that a to the power of n times a to the power of m is equal to a to the power of n plus m. We're adding the powers here to have 2 to the power of m plus minus m over 2. We have 2 to the power of m plus 1 all over 2. Further raised to the power of minus 2m. So this will give us 2 to the power of m minus m over 2 all over 2 to the power of m plus 1 over 2. Further raised to the power of minus 2m. So from here we have the same base here, which is 2. When we have a to the power of b over a to the power of c, this is the same as a to the power of b minus c. So we'll be subtracting these powers to have 2 to the power of, we have m minus m over 2. We have minus m plus 1 over 2. So this is all to the power of minus 2m. So we have 2. We have m minus m over 2. Opening this bracket, we have minus m over 2. And we have minus 1 over 2. All to the power of minus 2m. When we resolve this, we have 2. Our LCM is 2. So 2 divided by 1, we have times 2m. Minus, we have m minus m minus 1, further raised to the power of minus 2m. So when we simplify this, we have 2 to the power of 2m minus m minus m. We have minus 2m and we have minus 1, further raised to the power of minus 2m. So we have 2 to the power of, this will cancel out, we have minus 1. So we have over 2 here. So we have 2m minus 2m. We have minus 1 over 2. Further raised to the power of minus 2m. So since the powers are the same, when we have a to the power of m further raised to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. So multiplying the powers, we have 2 to the power of minus 1 over 2 times minus 2m. So this implies that we have 2 to the power of minus times minus, we have positive 2m over 2. So this shows that our answer is equal to, this cancel out this, we have 2 to the power of m. Thank you for watching to the end of this video. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our solutions.